Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best UV filter is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for any photographer or videographer looking to protect their valuable lenses and enhance their image quality, acting as a transparent shield against dust, scratches, and accidental damage while also reducing unwanted ultraviolet light that can cause haze and blue casts in your photos, especially in bright outdoor conditions. Number 5. Tiffen 82 UVP Slim 82mm UV Protection Filter. Introducing the Tiffen 82 UVP Slim Filter. Its highly impact-resistant surface is designed to safeguard your valuable camera lens from damage. This filter effectively reduces ultraviolet light, helping to eliminate any unwanted bluish cast in your images. Achieve clearer, more natural-looking photos. Designed specifically for lenses that accept 82mm filters. Simply look for the 082mm marking on your lens for a perfect fit. Crafted with a durable and lightweight anodized aluminum ring, it adds protection without unnecessary bulk. Experience the difference with its clear optical glass. This filter ensures your images maintain their sharpness and quality. Invest in the longevity of your camera gear. This filter provides essential protection and enhances your photography. What we like. This filter offers exceptional impact resistance to safeguard your lens. If you frequently shoot in challenging environments or are prone to accidental drops, this is the ideal choice for robust protection. What people say. It's well built with a scratch-resistant surface and a tight-fitting metal ring that minimizes the chance of the filter falling off accidentally. There's no color cast or softening, and it doesn't introduce any vignetting, dark corners, even on wide-angle lenses. The rim is made out of good quality metal and screws smoothly into my lenses. Haven't had any threading issues at all. Number 4. K&F Concept Nano-X 82mm UV Protection Filter. This filter absorbs UV rays, reducing unwanted blue tones for crystal clear images. It also protects your lens from dust and scratches, prolonging its life. Crafted from imported Japanese AGC glass, it delivers incredibly sharp images. You can trust it to preserve the true colors of your photographs. With 28 multi-layer coatings, including hydrophobic and scratch-resistant properties, it achieves 99.6% light transmission. This minimizes reflections for truly lifelike pictures. Its ultra-slim design and double-side polishing ensure clear shots even with telephoto lenses. You won't experience any vignetting. Before purchasing, please check your camera's lens thread size, indicated by the phi symbol followed by the measurement, to ensure a perfect fit. Trust in K&F Concept, the world's leading brand in lens filter online sales volume. Experience the quality that makes us number one. What we like. Experience superior clarity with its advanced multi-layer coatings and premium glass. If you demand the highest image quality and are using telephoto lenses, this filter ensures no vignetting and true-to-life colors. What people say. The 28 multi-layer coatings effectively reduce reflections in UV light, ensuring sharp, vibrant images without any noticeable color shifts or vignetting. The filter is constructed from high-quality Japanese AGC optical glass, providing excellent durability and clarity. Its ultra-slim design allows for easy stacking with other filters, and the ribbed aluminum frame ensures a secure grip for installation and removal. Number 3. K&F Concept 82mm K-Series UV Protection Filter. Safeguard your valuable camera lens from everyday dust, scratches, and accidental damage. This filter provides essential protection without compromising image quality. Crafted from high-quality Japanese optical glass, it ensures your photos remain sharp and vibrant. Enjoy pristine image quality with every shot. Its super slim and lightweight aluminum frame minimizes light obstruction and prevents dark corners, even with wide-angle lenses. You get full creative freedom. Featuring 18 multi-layer coatings, it faithfully restores image quality without any negative color cast. Experience true-to-life colors in all your photos and videos. Minimize ultraviolet light to reduce haze and enhance contrast in your digital images. Achieve clearer, more vivid results effortlessly. This filter is designed to fit all 82mm lenses. Simply check your lens's thread size to ensure a perfect match for your camera. What we like. This filter provides excellent image quality with its multi-layer coatings and a slim design. If you're looking for a balance of protection and performance without adding bulk, especially for wide-angle shots, this is a great option. What people say. It wasn't difficult to secure on the lens, which was refreshing since some filters don't like to line up properly sometimes. But this filter twisted on smoothly and without any catches. I noticed the clarity of the images was greatly improved by this very simple filter. They appeared vibrant and clear rather than hazy. I also really like how slim the filter is because it doesn't add a lot of weight to the existing lens when I'm using it. Number 2. K&F Concept 82mm K-Series Lens Filter Kit. Elevate your photography with this comprehensive lens filter kit. It includes everything you need for flawless shots, from UV and CPL filters to an ND4 filter, plus a cleaning cloth and a convenient pouch. Experience superior image quality with filters made from top-tier optical glass. Featuring 18 layers of nanometer coatings, they reduce reflections and maintain the true colors and remarkable quality of your photos. Keep your lenses pristine with the included static-free microfiber cleaning cloth. Transport and organize up to 3 filters easily with the custom-designed filter pouch. Protect your lens and block UV rays with the UV filter. Enhance color vibrancy and contrast while eliminating glare with the CPL filter. Achieve captivating shots even in challenging light with the ND4 filter. This filter kit is designed for universal compatibility with all 82mm lenses. Simply check your lens for the diameter symbol to ensure a perfect fit. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit offering versatility for various shooting conditions. If you're a photographer looking to expand your creative possibilities with UV, CPL, and ND filters in one package, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. The filter is very thin and does not add any noticeable thickness to the lens. It screws on smoothly and securely, with no signs of cross-threading. The glass is clear and does not seem to affect image quality or introduce any color cast. Number 1. Amazon Basics 82mm UV Protection Camera Lens Filter. Introducing our UV protection filter, perfect for general, everyday use. It's designed to reduce ultraviolet light, helping to eliminate any unwanted bluish cast in your images. Keep your valuable lens safe from the elements. This filter provides excellent protection against dust, dirt, and scratches, ensuring your equipment stays in top condition. Capture stunning outdoor photos with ease. This is our most popular protection filter, making it an ideal choice for all your outdoor photography adventures. Experience clearer, more vibrant photos. By reducing UV light, it enhances image quality and provides a more natural color balance. This filter is specifically designed for 82mm camera lenses. Please check your lens's thread size, usually marked with a phi symbol, to ensure a perfect fit before purchasing. What we like. This filter offers reliable everyday protection for your lens. If you need a simple, effective UV filter for general outdoor use to guard against dust and scratches, this is a solid and popular choice. What people say. They are great for adding a crystal clear protective layer over the end of your expensive glass. The Amazon Basics UV Protection Filter excels in this aspect, effectively reducing UV light and eliminating the bluish cast that often compromises image clarity and color accuracy. By preventing dust, dirt, and scratches from directly affecting the lens surface, this filter ensures the longevity and pristine condition of my equipment, enabling me to focus on my craft without worrying about potential damage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.